Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app for Xiaomi C400 camera and how to pair this camera with it. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here find app called Xiaomi Home, it should look like this, and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Then we'll be able to pick a different country or region that you're gonna use this camera from. Now we should be able to sign in. If you want to do that, then create the account or log into already existing one. I'm just gonna go and click on this plus button to instantly add this camera. Now connect your camera to the power source, and just a disclaimer, the camera will be speaking all the time and I will try to interrupt it.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the body labeled and the configuration interface.
请用手机扫描机身标签上的二维码，进入配置界面。
Waiting for connection.
等待连接。
And from here, find
Waiting
your
for connection.
camera. So it's this one, I guess. And we need to scan a QR code on the bottom of your camera right here.
Waiting for connection.
等待连接。
Press and hold reset button for about 3 seconds until indicator blinks orange, indicating that the camera has been reset successfully. So you can find the button on the back right where you plugged USB-C. Hold it for 3 seconds as they mentioned.
Reset complete.
重置成功，
Device booting. Please wait.
正在启动，请稍后，
Waiting for connection.
等待连接。
And then now select the different Wi-Fi network. Enter the password for it.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the body labeled and the configuration interface.
请用手机扫描机身标签上的二维码，进入配置界面。
Waiting for connection.
等待连接。
Connecting. Please wait.
连接中，请稍后。
Connection to Wi-Fi completed.
无线网络连接成功。
Pairing to account completed. Device online.
账号绑定成功。
So finally, after all this chatter, it's so annoying, this camera, honestly, but we can set a different room for where it will be placed. You can create new one, and let's go for the toilet. Okay, and click on the next. We can set the name for this camera however you like, and then click on the next. Display large cards on the home page. Yeah, I guess we can. And then we can invite any family members to use together so that they can also check what's going on in the toilet that we've just added. So do not share it because I don't have any other person that I want to add. Let's don't prompt. And now your camera is successfully added to the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.